Okay guys, welcome to my video. Today we're gonna do Librecad session 2. Today we're gonna start up with circles. We're gonna draw some circles, we're gonna make a flange with some things, and then I'll show you how to draw circles and things like that. So let's pick up where we left the previous session. We're gonna do some options. We're gonna go to the current drawing preference. We're looking for the paper size. That's A4, that's good. We do in landscape, that's also good. So we got units, let's go to 0.02. And then the grid, auto, it's good. Dimensions, let's put this one on 2. So everything is at factor, length factor 2. So that means your everything is a little bit bigger to read. Splines, it's good enough. Okay, so we have that one. Here on the right side you say my layer, you see the layer list, yeah. Also when you can select it in the wickets, dock wickets, you see here's layer list. If you click it away, then my layer list is gone. So if 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 in a certain point something of your dock is missing and now you have only the block list, then you can go to the dock widgets and you can select the layer list. The layer list is one of the one you use the most, to be honest. So layer list, if I explained in the previous session, I always use this one is standard size. You can also not change the name. Here, the layer name you cannot change. It's 0. I always use that one for my drawing lines. So let's say the drawing lines are 0.35 thick. Continuous lines, okay. So and then I make a center line also right away. Center line. You can select the plus key or the min key to deselect it. So and then go to 0.05 continuous line. You see there's my center line. Always a measurement line. Also 0.05 thick. Okay. Then the center line I must change because this is continuous. That's wrong, of course. You must use center small or center large with bigger drawings. You can always, as I explained in the previous session, you can always change it back to what you want. So let's say center small for now. Let's see how that works out. So I got the drawing line, I got the center line, I got the measurement line. Okay, now I'm also gonna do a dash line. Also 0.05 and also dash. Let's do dash small. There we go. So now I got my 4 drawing lines. I can always put more or less, but normally this one because always more lines. So let's kick off. The red cross here in the middle is my 0 point. So that's my starting point of the drawing. And what I mean by this is the Y line and this is the X line. So this is Y and this is X. So this is exactly 0. Let's start with 0. Let's say I'm gonna draw a flange with 2 flanges with a piece of metal in the middle, a shaft, and then let's continue. Okay, there we go. Let's say, oh, I've got select the wrong line. I need my drawing lines, of course. So here on the right, you can select the drawing line. Also, when you make a mistake, it's quite simple to put it back. So let's do it like this. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 60 millimeters thick. Let's do it like that. 2 and 2, 2 and 2. Let's keep it simple, guys, for now. 2 and 2. Let's make this one a little bit bigger. Let's do a little bit thicker also, and let's do it like this. So, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to draw my center line like that. Okay, that's my center line. So, and now I'm going to select my tools, and I'm going to select modify, and I'm going to select trim. So what I want to do is that the line of the flanges go to here, like that. So, and now I want to draw a nice radius into the shaft. I'm going to select that one. I'm going to select center point angles, like that. I'm going to select it here, and then you see the where you see the line. That's that's the direction to draw. So like that, like that. Perfect. Okay. So still I'm wrong with my line, so not a problem. Then you go to if it's the wrong line, then you go to tools, then you go to modify, then you go to properties, you click the line, and then you can change the line what you want. Like that. Perfect radius in the shaft. Also here I want to do the same. Center point angles like that. Here. Okay, that's this the other way, so I'll start here and go to there, and that's it. Perfect. So you have flange, 1, 2 flanges, and then I want to draw some holes inside. So center line, guys. I'm not gonna take much measurements, like that. Perfect, like that. Perfect. That looks good. Then I'm gonna do the dash line. I'm gonna do it like that. Here to here, and here to here. Oh, sorry, that's my mistake. Here, from here to here. Also here, from here to here, from here to here. So that's 1/2 of the shaft. You see? So let's put some. Do it like this. Oh, again, I'm selecting the wrong drawing line. Let's do it like this. 2 points from here to here, from here to here. That's 1. There's also 1 from here to here. So a nice shaft. So you can put this one between something. Now I'm going to select everything. I'm going to select everything. Yeah, just do the left mouse button. Deselect this one. And then I'm going to go to tools. I'm going to modify, and I'm going to say mirror. Look what happens. Now I'm going to put my cross here on the center line. I'm going back to the center line, and then I say keep original. If you use delete original, then he's deleting what you selected. So keep original, and perfect. You see? Very nice flange. So now I want to do one drawing of the right direction and a one drawing of the left directions. So let's start with the right. We're going to center point. You see, I select the circle on the left here and center point. So we're going to probably about here, and I'm going to select that one like that. Perfect. So that's good. Now I'm going to say the center line. I need the center line of the holes, of course. So I'm going to select it again, center point. Can also select it here for if you want to know the exact measurement. Do it like that. Yeah, you see that's. Then select it. Go to tools, modify, and move copy. Then I select exactly the center. You see with the red circle here. I'm going to select it. I'm going to put it over here, and I put it on the center line, and I said delete original because I want the left one must be gone. It's only for measurement purpose. So also the little that one So I can select it here. You can see it also on the yellow line exactly how it should be, like that. Oh, damn it. You see, I did it on purpose now. So properties, select the line and go to the drawing line. So that's it. Now I have an now I'm gonna do draw the holes inside. So how many holes we have? We are, let's say 12. Yeah, let's say 12. So I'm gonna select center line. Center line is still on it. I do it like this. I'm going to the middle of the drawing here. I do it like that, like that. So, and now I'm gonna draw a hole inside. Let's say this is the diameter. Ah, damn it, again. It happens to me a lot, guys. So I must change that to 0. Okay, like that. One hole. One hole within the one center line. Okay, now I select it. So let's say, yeah, now I'm gonna use. Let's make it more clear. Let's do a little center line in the middle. So then you know exactly what I'm talking about. Like that to that. So now I'm gonna select the hole and I'm gonna go to tools and I'm gonna say modify and I'm gonna say rotate. So modify, rotate, rotate, and I select the middle of the circle. So where I put my circle lines here, like that. Okay, and I say 60 degrees, and I said multiplied copies 5. So look at that, a perfect flange. Eh? Look at that. So this is the right side direction. Now I'm going to draw the left side direction also. So center point, go to here, go to the line. Of course I do it wrong again. I forget that a lot, but I don't. Properties, just click the line and say 0. Like that. Perfect. Now I must go to center line. And I'm going to draw the center line also. So let's say the center line from here. You see my if I put it in the middle here and then I'm going to the top like that. Perfect. 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 So now I'm going back to my 0, my drawing line, and I'm going to say okay, center point. So like that. Perfect. Perfect. So that's also. Now I'm going to center line. I'm going to put one center line in the middle like that to here. Okay, make a drawing like that. Perfect. Like this. Okay, now I'll change it again. Of course I do it wrong. So center line 0. Okay, like that. Normally you can select it before you draw. You can select it here. But okay, you understand the. So now I'm going back to the. When you select when you're drawing and you select in the tools, you select something, modify or I don't care. Then the program remembers what you select. So if you click your right mouse button, you can see everything you select in the past. So now I can select rotate with my mouse button and go to the middle. Select this one. And now I'm going to say, let's say 30 degrees. 30 degrees. And I'm going to not select 5, I'm going to select 9. And then I said, okay. Oh, that's not enough. You see what happens? I make it was 9, 10, 11. I need 12 holes. So I do it wrong. So now I said edit. And I'm going to select undo. Now I do it again. I said, okay. I said rotate. I'm going to the middle and I'm going to change this one not to 9 but to 11. And then I can say multiply copies 30 degrees. Look at that. Perfect. So that's it. Like that. And now to make sure, because you're looking to that direction, then you can also see this one. So The easiest way to do it is select everything, and then like that. You click your left mouse button, make everything red, and then do move copy, select the middle of this one, go to the middle of here, and then you said, okay, let's see, and then you do it like that. And then you say, here you can say deselect all, normally. Oh, sorry. Oh, no, no, it's cancel. Oh, yeah, the program was in not working. Oh, wait a moment, why it's not working? I click it wrong? No, I did not click it wrong. You know what? Do it like this. I'm missing one hole. You see that? I didn't select it in the other drawing. So you make a little mistake. You see, I'm getting the hole here. So that's quite simple to do. Then you say like that, and you say move copy. Select exactly the middle, and now you're. I must explain something. Now you snap on the grid. The grid is this. This is the grid. We call it the grid. You see, snap on grid. So my cross go from point to point to point to point, and so on and so on. When I deselect this one, then I can move it freely around. Yeah. So, and if I select it now, snap on intersection, then it's snapped exactly at where my cross points are. You see that? So that's snap-on intersection. But then to use the snap-on intersection, you must deselect the snap-on grid. So, okay, now I'm going to select exactly the middle. I'm going to go to the point that I want to use. You see, I'm going to select it here exactly. And I say keep original. And there it is. You see, if you make a small mistake in the drawing, you can always make it correct it. Let's put it like that. So now my everything is on. This one is on. That one. Listen. Let's see. What's this one? Uh, that one I don't need, because that one, you see that one, but I make red. This one is this one. Oh wait, I made a mistake. You see, it's gone. So edit, undo, undo. You see, and now it's back again. Edit, undo. Okay, edit, redo. So now we're back. Now we're back where we should be. So when I look at from that side, then I see this one. That's that one, and then the center line. And so I must select everything. You can do it by holding your left mouse button and select everything. And now I'm gonna say move copy. I'm gonna select the middle one. I'm going to the middle one here. Yeah, snap on grid. I must select, because like that. And I say, okay, my mistake was to keep original. I must select, the previous, I said delete original. So keep original, and then you see this one stays exactly the same. So now I'm gonna deselect everything. So like that. And then say, what's here? I must delete that one, but not now. I must say, uh, okay, let's do it another way, because this is not going right exactly, to be honest. And now I'm gonna, why it's not opening? Something is wrong, because normally this one is opening and then you can deselect everything. So that's strange that it's not working now. But okay, you can do it like this also. But this is irritate me, because normally this is not necessary. You can deselect everything. But I will do it now like this. Yeah, sometimes this program is a little bit strange, but yeah, there's many ways to go where you want to be. So like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. Oh, not too fast, Ron. Like that, that. Yeah, yeah. Look at that. Here we are. So I copy this one to there, but something is wrong, of course, because this one you don't see from that side. So that one you must keep it away. So this is the right direction. This is this direction. So look at that. That's good, eh? Of course, yeah. 8 holes inside. Okay, okay, but now I find this one a little bit too close to that one because I must do some measurement lines. So I can select everything. I said move copy. I select it and I said, you know what? I'm gonna move it a bit, and I said delete original. So and now I move it a bit, and hopefully this works now. No, it's still not working. Doesn't matter. Okay. So I must deselect this. This is irritates it. This irritates me, but okay, it is what it is. I cannot do nothing about it now because it's not working like it should be. Sometimes this program has a little bit of bugs, but yeah, it's free, so guys, don't complain. It's quite good program, but sometimes things are. Maybe I restart it again, then it's fine. Sometimes you better can do that because, but I don't want to interrupt now the video. So I'm missing a center line here. Yeah, that's also not good. So I'm gonna do it like this. I'm missing one center line. You see, guys, I'm missing one center line. So then I can say rotate. I can say like here, and I can say 30 degrees, and then I say keep original, do only one, and then it's going to the other side. Of course, I must take that one. You always see some things goes wrong. So let's see, rotate is going here. All right, there it is. So now my drawing is finished. You see, it's a flange. It's a pressing fit a little here, and then go there. Okay, yeah, that's quite good. So now we're gonna do some measurements, guys. Let's start with some measurements. Yeah, measurement line. I'm going to select measurement line here on the right at my layer list. Let's say we're going to do some vertical measurement lines first. Vertical. Yeah. Let's click it here, and let's click it here. Do it like this. Okay, now you see the measurement line is not readable. You see, it's terrible. So now you're going to edit. Oh, yeah, it's 800, so it's a quite big flange. So now we're going to edit again, and sorry, the options, and we're going to the current drawing preference. We're going to the units, we're going to dimensions. Here we are. General scale, you see on top here. You see? That we're gonna move to 5. Let's say 5. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that looks quite good. You see? The 4 dots behind the point. So that's not very good. So we go into the drawing preference and we say, okay, the format units, linear precision, it's 0.0, it's 4 zeros. I'm going to change that to 2 zeros. And then also the angular precision, I'm going to say to 0. Like that. Perfect. You see, in two mouse clicks, everything is alright now. So 800.0 is the diameter from that side. Okay, then we go into the vertical position here. We're gonna say from here to here, and then we're gonna say, okay, that's six around. Also, what's possible is I'm gonna show you if you go to properties and you say the label and you press this little circle here. You see label, and you press it, then you see the round sign. Also here, the round sign. Okay, but this is not yeah, of course it's a real measurement, but we call it a centerline measurement, and then you do it like this. Then you say, okay, the measurement is 640. Then you say STC 640. So every engineer knows exactly what you mean, and then you put that one away because STC is always around. So STC is 640. And then you put it together also like that. So every engineer knows exactly what you mean by STC for 640. It's the center line of a circle. Okay, that's one, and then you go to here, you go to vertical, you said okay, vertical like that to here also, and here you can put of course the properties, you put the round sign on it like that. So we have the outside, inside, okay, perfect. That's good. What we need more, you need the holes, of course. So you can put it on the other side, also vertical, from here to here. And let's do it like a little bit different. 80 H7, like that. And then it's also possible to do it like this. You put the 80, you put it on the side here, like that. 80A7, that means that's a standard size measurement of holes in the European ISO stelsel. So 88.7 in the engineering, everybody knows exactly what measurement that is. So let's put it like that. It's also when you only put measurement in one holes, every engineer knows that all the holes are the same. Yeah, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 holes. So everybody knows the 12 holes are, if it's not specified further, then everything is 88.7. Yeah, so that's a written rule a bit. So then you can also put the what I said. Wait a moment, guys. Radial sides here, like that. You can put it like that. Okay, put it 40. And then of course it's better to put this 40 over here, like that. And if you want to do it exactly right, you do it like properties, you set R40, like that. Everybody knows that this radius is R40. You can put it a bit more in the middle, it's possible, like that. And if you zoom in, then you see a little blue dot here. You see that little blue dot, you click your mouse, left mouse button, and then you can move it around. And if you deselect the snap, then you can also move it around without bothering about the snap. So we got this one, and that one. The thickness of the flange, of course, and the thickness of this one. So we go into here. This is just to show you guys, it's just a random shaft, it's nothing special. So here horizontal, it's just to show you guys how you do this. 20, and then you can say, okay, I need another measurement also, horizontal from here to here, and then you go to 140, like that. So we got the holes, we got that one, we got that one. And then you can also say, it's nice to see, so this is 480, yeah? 480, 480, I just show you, and then you can say 0 plus 0.05, like that. Now you see that you got 480, 0.05. Everybody in engineering knows exactly what the measurement must be of that little diameter here. So we're going to the other side. Not quite, because we need the length of the everything. So still we need some measurements more. We need a horizontal measurement. We're gonna do from here to here. No, let's do, nah, this is not, let's do it from here to here. And let's go that way. And then you can also say properties. Let's do that 140. 140. You can say, okay, I want that 0.0.1. That's a tolerance. You can say also 720, 720, 0.01, like that. Then you must go to the maximum size. And then, yeah, the manufacturers prefer that you calculate everything from one side. So let's say you calculate from here to here. You do it like that. Yes. And then you say also here, properties, and you say 1020, and you say 0 plus 0.2 to give an example like that. It's also possible to do it from here, but manufacturers often like that you put it from one side. So I did it not quite from one side, but you get the picture. So and then we need to go to the other side, horizontal. That's from here to here. Yeah, I won't do that. I won't do it from here to here. And I'm going to say 20. And I'm going to say properties. I'm going to say 20. 0 plus 0.2. Like that. That's good. So now I got my diameters, I got my center line from the holes, I got my holes, I got my width of the flange. Also here you can always put some tolerance inside, because 80.00 is no tolerance, you know what I mean? It's so properties, and goes from 800. You can say 800. Oh, sorry, 800. Just do it correctly. And then you can say 0, 0.023 or 2. Yeah, like that. Put some tolerance between it. You can also say 0.20 to be exact. Yeah, I do it a little bit too fast. So also this 0.10, it must be like that. 0.20. And why is that? Because then okay, like that. 20, like that. So because then manufacturers don't can read it wrong, because when you put one number behind the dot, then yeah, somebody can say, okay, it was something else, but now it's very clear, it's 0.210. That's why you always put a 0 also behind it. Yeah, that's right, that's right, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. Okay, so we got that one side is covered. So yeah, the other way, when you said, okay, I got a lot of measurement size here, mother, then you can also go to the side, the right side view, and do the measurements, the further measurements over there. Let's do the horizontal line like that. Perfect, perfect. And then we go to horizontal also. We go to the center line like that. Perfect. Then we go to the other one. Let's say horizontal like that to that. Perfect. Now you don't need the round this round mark over here, because everybody can see that is a circle. You know that's ridiculous if you put a round circle sign over here, because that's not the case. So now we got the diameters, and now you want to put the diameters of the holes inside. And now I'm going to show you a little trick, because now I'm going to deselect the snap. I'm going to select that one. Oh, sorry, I'm going to select that one. And now I'm going to select, look at that, I'm going to select linear, not align, but linear. So linear means that this is horizontal, this is vertical. So my measuring lines can only go horizontal or vertical, but linear, it's going the direction that I select. Now I select that one, I'm going to select that one, and I'm going to select, oh really, that's, I do it wrong also, chips. No, I'm going to select the wrong one. I'm going to select alignment, sorry. Yeah, that was the right one. So, and now I'm going to, okay, I'm going to select alignment, and I'm going to select snap on intersection. Because I want to exactly this point and that point I want to be measured. So, now I'm going to select alignment, I'm going to select snap, and then also select on snap on intersection. From here to here, and I'm gonna do it here. So it's 80.094. So round 80. But why it's not measuring round 80, to be honest? Normally it should be 80, I think. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's 80. Let's see. Let's see here for a moment. One moment, guys. I want to check something. Why it's doing differently than... Oh, no. I must select something else, guys, not select on snap. I must select on horizontal. I know what's happening because I'm measuring. You see, the little difference is I measured here, I must measure it from here. This is my center line, my straight center line. I will show you because this is important because when you make a drawing that's you must also make the measurement line. Then this is quite important. I will show you what's the difference, why I had a different size net, suddenly. So this is my circle and this is the center line. When I measure it on the center line, I'm going horizontal, yeah. Oh, sorry, I'm going to select horizontal like that. So I'm going to snap it on exactly on here and I'm going to snap it on exactly on here. What you see, it's 80.000, exactly what it should be. I will select, wait a moment, properties, and I'm going to select the measurement line. Okay, that's, so it's 80%. I know that it's 80, the walls. But now what I measure it with select intersection from here, what I select, I do the dash off. So I put the snap-on grid off, and I'm going to select this one. I'm going to select snap-on intersection. And what I'm measuring now is horizontal, and I'm going to select that one to that one. And what you see is a different size. And why is a different size? Because I'm measuring below the real center line. You see this different. This I measured. This is the real center line, and I measured here, and that's this 0.06 difference. So that's always be careful where you measure it, guys. So it's good that it happened. So I know I can show you what was wrong. So but the holes are 80. That's real measurement. Let's say 80 H7. So, and then we put it a little bit higher like that. So click it, make it red, click your left mouse button, and then you can move it around. Yeah, be careful with it because you can also mess it up, but like that. And when you mess it up, guys, just select it, hit the delete key, and start over. Don't make it more difficult than it is. So I'm gonna select yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 holes from 80. Some engineers do it like this, properties, and they say 6 mile like that. You can do it also like that. So everybody knows 6 volts from 88.7. But I prefer, normally I prefer that it's just one side, and if the other holes are not specified, then it's all the same. So yeah, I'm gonna select that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. I nearly got everything, eh? Yeah, I think I got everything. So now we're going to block list. I will show you something. Sorry, library browser. I'm going to templates, not templates. I'm going to MISC, MISC, and I see A3 here. What's A3? That's you can download it more from the internet, guys. But this is one that's come with the program. So let's click it on, and I said insert, and then you get this little dot here, and then you put it on a place where you think, okay, that's good. I'll put snap on for a moment, guys, like that. You see it's very small. You say, what the hell is that? It's very small. It's too small. Okay, now I'm gonna select it. Oh, really? Ooh, sometimes things cannot go. The cancel. I'm gonna select everything like that. Not that one. Not that one. And I'm gonna go to tools. I'm gonna say modify, and I'm gonna say let's scale this thing. Okay, I'm gonna scale it from here. And I'm going to say, okay, let's do it 4 times. So I make it 4 times bigger. Let's see what. Oh, it's still too small. You see, it's still too small. So I'm going to select it again. I'm going to say, okay, I can use it 2 times more. I'm going to the mouse button, the right mouse button, scale, select that little dot again. I said, you know what? This is 2 times. And say, okay, this is 2 times. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to move it around a bit. Move it around a bit more. Look at that. Move it around a bit more. Okay, that's good. You see, that's not bad. Oh, yeah, why it's jumping away, I'm not sure. Uh, one more up, I think. Okay, like that. That's it. Okay, so now you see you got a nice drawing, and now we wait. I'm gonna select it and say properties. Measure line by layer, mine twice. Okay, here you can also change it, but this is good enough. Okay. Okay. Okay, perfect. Now I want to change it, but I'm not sure. It's a long time ago that I did this. Yeah. Wait a moment, okay, guys. Bear with me how I do that. Oh, I'm going to layer list, yeah. That was it, yeah. And I'm going to add text. Yes. And I'm going to block list. Oh yeah, block list. So block list, I select this one. And I'm going to say, okay. How it was, layer list, block list, yeah. And I'm going to say, edit block. There we are. So now I can change the name. So I'm saying, you know what, wait a moment, I'm gonna say, okay, this should be the flange. Oh, wait a moment, I was a little bit too enthusiastic. Undo. I'm gonna say here, and I'm gonna say edit tools. How it was, tools, modify. Yeah, modify. It was properties. I'm gonna say properties, and now you see I'm gonna change it to flange shaft, like that. Shaft. There we are. It's not nice. You see, it's a little bit too big, and then you say, okay, I'm gonna make it height 6. You can change it here. flange shaft. Okay, and now you're gonna title, and you're gonna say, okay, title gearbox part, like that. You see, gearbox part. You can also you can also put it away like that, and so on and so on. I think you get the picture, guys. So here you can change the date. So you say okay, it's 25 now, 21. So here you make 21 03 25, like that. This one you must change because it's a European size, so you must select this. Oh wait, yeah, and then okay, you can put your name in. You can put the material. I will do that. I will still do that. Properties, material. I'll set steel, like that. Steel. Yeah, let's say steel. I can do steel. Scale. You can say okay, my scale is let's say properties scale 1/5. Let's say that. Oh, I know what's wrong because I must cancel. So I must select this one and I must put that one away, and I said okay, scale 1/5 mass, that's the weight. Let's say 200 kilogram, and so on and so on. Okay, so here you did that you did, and then you go to library browser, block list, layer list. Okay, so now you can click this one small, and you go to the drawing side, that one, and you see everything is changed. So I got my measurement, I got my drawing, I got my holes, I got my okay. Now you can also put the roughness of the certain parts and things like that. But okay, so I think you get the picture of that second Librecad, how to do it. And yeah, the third part I'm going yeah, to build further on the drawing. I'm gonna do some other drawings and other techniques to use this program. So guys, oh yeah, and the last thing I want to show you is the print preview. Oh, that's quite good, and then suddenly you see it looks good. You see, if you zoom it in, then you see every line measurement, every measurement. Maybe I forgot something, but I don't think so. So, and then yes. And so this is a little flange you draw, and here you can see the gearbox part, steel, and yeah, you can normally, and also you must change this one. This is the American way to do it, but we have the European projection. Also the center lines, yes, everything is right. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So guys, hopefully I see you in the next session. This is session number 2, and we're going to session number 3 after this one. And I'm not sure how many sessions, but every session I'm gonna put a new dimension in this drawing program, and then at the last session I'm going to use the whole program to draw a gearbox and to draw some parts that also fit together. And then the next session I'm going to do some how you can, because now is everything drawn on the snap, on the so the little dots, that's very easy. But normally when you're making things, nothing is on the snap, and then you must use the X and the Y dimension lines. So next session I'm gonna explain that one, and hopefully see you next time, guys, and have good luck with it. So bye bye.